Hi, this is Gerry from Work with Gas Ltd in Sheffield. Today we're going to talk about topping up the IDEAL Logic Plus 30 Combi. Also covers the Vogue range and earlier models as well. On the earlier models of the Logic, the pressure gauge is located just underneath the boiler on the flow side of the central heating, just there. For this, what we want is about 1.5 bars of pressure, so nicely in between the 1 and 2. To obtain this, we have a nice, easy, simple filling loop, which is located on the right-hand side, cold inlet, and the return valve on the central heating system, just above our magnetic filter just here. So underneath here, we have 2 little levers in blue. The earlier models do have them in black, but for all intents and purposes are identical to each other. This is the central heating return side, and this is the cold water inlet. First of all, from a vertical position, flip the paddle towards you so it is horizontal, and then the paddle on the return from a facing position, again twist to face you. If you look at the pressure gauge, it will increase. Stop it at 1.5 bars. If you are bleeding your radiators, you will need to do this several times to make sure that you don't run out of pressure whilst doing this. Make sure at all times that you do return these valves back to the closed positions. This will help preserve the expansion vessel, risks of any kind of bursts, floods, anything like that. And also, one of the most important things, the cold water inlet needs to be returned back to its vertical position so that you then have hot water in the household. Good day.